Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can determine if you have been blocked by someone on your Snapchat. So let's see how to do this. So one of the easiest methods is to simply go to the chat option and look for their name. So if their name, for example, let's say disappeared from the chat and you can't see it anymore, then there is a very high chance that you have been blocked by them. Then other options include that if you'll go to your profile and then from here you will go to my friends, and if they are disappeared from here as well, then also it is a high chance that they have blocked you. And other options include is to simply go to add friends, and then what you can do is simply try to search for their name. So if their name does not appears, then that is a very high possibility that they have blocked you. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.